we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Angooni Christmas car decoration, car wreath with lights, colorful LED car reindeer kit, festive accessory, Xams decor for Jeeps, trucks or golf cart. Highlight features or overview summary are include: spread holiday cheer. Transform your car into a festive wonderland with our colorful LED car wreath kit, the perfect decoration to make your car attractive on Christmas night. Get ready for compliments and admiration wherever you go. Lovely Christmas decoration. You will get a car wreath with lights plus a pair of adorable LED Christmas reindeer antlers. Once get them on, your car will look like a cute elf on Christmas night. Suitable for all types of vehicles, Jeeps, trucks, motorcycles, golf cart, mobility scooters. Effortless installation. Our light-up Christmas wreath for car and reindeer kit decor comes with a very detailed usage guide. Follow it to mount the antlers and wreath, and get the 16 feet cord through the car hood to connect to the socket. Several minutes overall, your car is ready to shine. Sturdy and weather-resistant. With 2 reliable suction cups and 6 strong zip ties, our car Christmas wreath will be securely attached to your vehicle even in harsh winter conditions. It will keep the festive spirit alive anytime and anywhere. The wreath's colored lights can only be powered on while driving. Perfect gift for sharing. Beyond a delightful addition to your own holiday celebrations, it can also be a surprise for family and friends. Just take this festive accessory home. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.